like a potato. Sorry if you can't hear me. It's like the middle of the night. It's 3 in the morning, so yeah, that's fine. Well, I was editing this video and I was like, I look disgusting. I know why I look disgusting, but the viewers don't know. So I'm just gonna inform you real quick, because we just had a festival. It was a long time ago. I filmed this a long time ago because, you know, I procrastinate everything. I filmed it after I came back from working a shift. Like, I just got back from working at a festival in the heat all day. And, like, I look disgusting. My hair's all pulled back because you can't work at a food booth and have your hair in your face. No, sweetie, you cannot. So I was like, I'm just gonna film this real quick because I'm bored and my mom's not home. So yeah, I decided to film it and I filmed it and I looked disgusting. I was like drained and I was really annoying, but you know, that's okay. I'm literally so ugly.
Yo, what up? It's Taylor. Hi, how are you? The lighting in here kind of sucks booty hole, but it's okay. We just gotta deal with it. I just filmed like 3 videos and all 3 of them were like absolutely like horrible and like didn't go right. So yeah, if I have some paint on my hands and stuff, that's because I tried painting and you know, that didn't happen. So basically, I'm going to be making ramen and answering you guys' questions. So that's it. So when did I get these? When did they expire? Did these expire? I don't think they expire. Do they expire? Probably. But am I gonna worry about it? Not really. It's okay. Guys, y'all don't even know. I have the rich cups. Like, dude. I usually get them in packages, right? Because they're cheaper. Nah, I got the cups. You guys will never guess what just happened. My phone freaking died. Like, isn't that so great? Like, I love life. Anyways, back to your regularly scheduled program. Regularly scheduled program. Ew. Hey Siri, how long do you cook ramen in a bowl for? No. Soldier boy, guys, if you don't eat ramen with chopsticks, what are you doing?
I don't even eat ramen.
Okay, that's hot. I asked you guys on my Instagram, which if you're not following my Instagram, go follow right now. I'm judging you if you're not.
Tiny, what are you doing?
Tiny almost died. It's a little bit, but it's okay. I have questions right here on my handy dandy iPad. Favorite color? My favorite color is purple. I dyed my hair purple. Go watch my last video.
Yeah, she did, and it was terrible and got purple all over her neck.
Yeah. I'll do a little flashback. I literally know everyone here. This was a mistake. I have purple all over my neck and shoulder.
Next. You got yellow paint on Tiny's hair.
What were you doing to her?
Should we not speak of that?
Let's not speak of that. Where do you want to live in the future? Well, I already answered this in another video. I want to live in Los Angeles. Los Angeles. I don't know, yeehaw, what the heck? And the following up question, which was asked by another one of my friends, when are you moving? When I graduate high school. What the heck? Who is the hottest character on my block from Netflix?
A gnome.
Caesar. Caesar's freaking hot. He can run me over with a bus and I would say sorry. If he punched me in the face, I'd be like, thank you so much. I feel so honored. I love ramen because it's so gross that it's good. You know?
That doesn't
make it. It's a piece of cardboard now.
Team roping or dressage? This is another one from you. Okay, we get it. You're yeehaw. I like dressage. Dressage is so much better. Yee? Question mark?
One of those are mine. Thank you very much.
Yee. Ask me, what is a list of things you hate? Oh, honey, do I have a list for you? List of things I hate. Caramel. I hate caramel so much. It's gross. It's disgusting. I don't like it. The only caramel I eat are those little hard candies that like your grandma gives you. You know what others? I don't know what they're called. They're like something. Blueberries. I hate blueberries. The only blueberries I eat are blueberry muffins. And that's only if my dad makes them. They're just so annoying. Like they say they're blueberries, but they're purple.
On the inside, but on the
And then
outside
whenever you
they're
peel them, they're green. But they're just so confusing. Why are they called blueberries? So why aren't they purple berry? Mustard. I hate mustard. Case closed. If you make a burger for me and there's mustard in it, I will like punch you in the face. I do not like Sprite at all. Sprite is disgusting. It's just lime. It doesn't even taste good. It's just like water and lime and like a little bit of sizzle in your mouth, you know? Honey. I hate honey. I don't like honey. Honey's gross. I don't know why. I just never liked honey. Fish. I don't like any kind of fish. I used to like tuna fish, but I don't anymore. I don't like fish. Not any type of fish. No shrimp. No crawfish.
Honey, your mother has an issue.
I don't have an issue. I just don't like fish. Kiwi. I don't like kiwi. Kiwi's just gross.
I've never had that.
Mushrooms. I do not like
I
mushrooms.
hate mushrooms too.
Good.
Yeah.
Ham. I don't like ham. I try ham. I don't like ham.
I love ham.
Sour cream. Sour cream is just gross. Like,
Ew,
what's
no.
the point of it? Like, what? Normal sized tomatoes. The little baby tomatoes are okay, but the normal sized tomatoes are disgusting.
They're both disgusting.
Lemon and tea. If you want lemon, just get lemonade. You go put this lemon in my tea. And then the pulp comes out of it, and then you're sipping tea, and then you're like, crunch, 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 crunch. There's some pulp in my tea. Like, I don't want to do that. I had a story time. I was drinking tea from this Mexican place in our town or whatever.
You drinking tea already sounds like an issue.
And it wasn't like the bottle tea, like Bull Creek or whatever. It was like the homemade tea, and I was like so excited because their tea's so good. So I was just sipping, and then I heard crunch. And then I like crunched on it a little bit, and I was like, so I spit it out, and it was a whole bean.
A bean?
A bean was in my tea.
What?
I didn't order anything with beans in it. How is there a bean in my tea?
She's like, what?
What's happening?
I know.
Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate does not taste good.
It tastes like freaking crap.
I'm with you. Yeah, it's bitter. It's not sweet. If I'm gonna have chocolate and I'm gonna be unhealthy, I'm gonna get some good chocolate. Tootsie Rolls. I don't like Tootsie Rolls.
I just don't like the way it gets stuck to my teeth.
This question. Hi, my name is Bella Thorne, and you're watching Disney Channel. Hi, I'm Bella Thorne, and this is the time I found out I had dyslexia. Can you answer this? No. Is a hot dog a sandwich?
Yes, but it's called a hot dog.
No, a hot dog. Wait, a hot dog can't be a sandwich. It's a hot dog. If it's a sandwich, the sandwich has the bread separated. And a hot dog is not separated. But Subway sandwiches.
Oh God. Oh sweet Jesus.
Benny, you're stuck in my shirt. This is the Krusty Krab. No, this is Patrick. How many rings do you have?
Too many.
No.
Yes, you do.
I don't have too many rings.
You only have 2 in your whole life.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rings of my own, and then my friend let me borrow 2 rings. So I have 10 rings right now, and I want to get more because I love rings. There's another question that says, are you going to get any more piercings? That's a question.
I hope you cannot answer.
I don't want to answer it in front of her because she's going to get mad at me. I'm getting a double helix this summer. Oh yeah, I also hate my neck being touched. This is why I have trust issues. Someone asked me if I was going to Coachella. No. Does it look like I'm going to Coachella? No! I am too broke for that. Do coke for a video. Do cocaine for a video?
Wow, you're actually too tall for something.
What's your favorite sport? Ah! You're so mean to me!
Don't do drugs, kid.
sport is band.
Not a sport.
Yeah, it is. Marching band.
I don't know.
I like football and basketball, but I don't play sports.
What are you talking about?
Do a backflip. If I had water, I could try, but...
Our other video.
Go to my video and I did a front flip. What's your favorite food? Jesus, yo. Tiny, I don't even...
Tiny
I don't
Princess
Junior.
Junior.
Do you want the ball?
Duke, do you want the ball?
Oh my god, she...
Ow, she scratched me. The next question is, do you even skate? Yes.
Oh my god, I kind of did it.
If you like this video, make sure to like it, as you would do. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications. And yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye, I love you all. Oh yeah, don't regret not doing it, because why the frick not? Love you, bye.